How to reset or recover Facebook password if forgotten. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and search for this option of Facebook password recovery. So as you do that, you can see the option forgot password can't login option. So just tap on it. As you tap on it, simply what you need to do is find your account by either entering your mobile number or your email ID. So you can just tap on your email ID over here if it's possible. I'm going to do that and then tap on continue and it will give us this option over here. So it will give us this profile, and if it's yours, then you can just tap on the password or try another way. So you can just tap on try another way because this is my account. So you can either log in with your Google account or you can get code via email, or you can also get code via Facebook notification, or you can enter your password. So you can select whichever option is viable for you. I'm going to tap on get code or link via my email that I've associated and then tap on continue, and it will send us the verification code which we need to enter over here and then continue, and that's how we can recover our Facebook password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.